What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you guys can see, we have a package here to unbox. We got the Blue Alien back on deck in full effect. And it's a ground vehicle, and I think this is the new GP Toys WRX Drift Shark. Yep, it's from GP Hong Kong, GPHK, I think that's what it means. GP Toys right here. So that's exactly what this is. So this is a drift car from GP Toys, their first stab at it, I guess. So let's get this thing open. Okay, so we got some papers in here. After sale service card. And let's get the... We also have this instructions manual. Pretty nice. And it is in detailed color. Wow, so nice, very nice instructions manual in here. Complete parts list and all. Let's toss that to the side. And this is the car here. The car has already been cut loose. I don't think I did. No, I didn't do that. So the car is already cut loose. We have a really nice transmitter. This transmitter says JJRC on it, guys. This transmitter looks really familiar too. Looks very similar to the other one from JJRC that I have, a little car, but it's smaller than this though. And GP Toys underneath. So this must be a rebrand or a joint venture maybe by JJRC and GP Toys. I don't know. Looks like it to me. And we have a charging cable here, USB charging cable here. We have a screwdriver. We have some extra body pins in here. And what else? Looks like we have some other things in there. And so let's get a look at this car. Really nice looking body here. Really filling the body. And very thin wheels here. And they do feel hard plastic, the tires there. So it should be able to drift really nice. We have an all metal chassis on the bottom here. We have this little foam bumper on the front and back there to support this from crashes, I guess. So let's take the body pins off and check the inside out. So that's under the hood there. Have the receiver wire there. We have this little motor here. I forget what size motor this is, but this is the size motor that's on the Cyma X8. The same motor that's in that snow tire military truck that I just did a video on. And so we have a nice size servo here. We're definitely going to check this thing out and see how it runs and all. We have shocks here, front and rear shocks. And let's see, we have a 2S battery in here with a JST connection. Very similar to the JJRC little cars that I have. And it plugs in by the balance lead here. And there is an on and off switch on this side. No lights or anything. But let me see. Okay, so I have my little JJRC here. And so let's compare. They are like the same size. Same exact chassis there. Let's pull the body pins off of this JJRC so we can have a closer look under the hood. So let's look at it. very, very similar. Just about identical, guys. So really nice. This is a really nice car. So and I always wondered what this would be like if it was a drift car. So now this GP Toys model is going to bring that to us. So you guys can expect some running footage of this coming up really soon. The GP Toys Drift Shark S918. Thanks for watching.